Ditch the Samsung Galaxy S24 speculations. It's showtime. Samsung is poised to unveil its latest flagship phones at Galaxy Unpacked 2024 today, January 17. Beyond the anticipated Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, the spotlight is likely to shine on the integration of artificial intelligence, a feature Samsung has been teasing a Galaxy AI announcement, and this event might showcase these AI-powered functionalities for the first time. For those unable to attend, the Galaxy Unpacked event in San Jose, California will keep you updated with the latest rumors and announcements, especially focusing on the AI capabilities of Samsung's new phones. The event kicks off at 1 p.m. past SPX 6 p.m. GMT. You can stay in the loop by following the embedded link above. Unlike previous Unpacked events featuring a myriad of announcements, this edition is expected to be laser-focused with the Galaxy S24 taking center stage. Anticipate 3 models: Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Ultra variant is likely to lead with substantial changes, potentially shifting from aluminum to more durable titanium for its build. Rumors also hint at an upgraded 50 telephoto lens with 5x zoom, replacing the previous 10MP sensor offering 10x zoom. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus might showcase more restrained alterations, including larger screens if reports of reduced bezels are accurate. All 3 models are rumored to feature an upgraded display with a peak brightness of 2600 nits. The real star could be the software featuring Galaxy AI. Samsung has teased a feature named Zoom with Galaxy AI, promising enhanced zoom shots and the ability to resize objects in photos. Other rumored AI features include generative AI for summarizing documents and real-time translations. Samsung has been vocal about its AI ambitions ahead of Galaxy Unpacked, with promises dating back to November. One highlighted feature, a live translate call, is expected to make an appearance, enabling real-time audio and text translations during phone calls. The on-device processing ensures quicker translations while maintaining privacy. The forthcoming analysis will delve into the potential implications of Samsung's AI features on the smartphone user experience. Stay tuned for updates on these groundbreaking announcements.